Good morning, good Monday, happy week, happy Monday everybody. Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Monday, March 25th, pre-market preparations. Good morning everybody, good evening wherever you are in the world. Good morning Oreen, Ingrid, Amir, thank you very much for joining. Who else is with me? Say hi, don't be shy. So, how was your weekend? I hope everybody had a pretty good, nice weekend. Hi David, how are you? Nice to see you here. Thank you very much for joining. Samsung, good morning. How are you this morning? Hope you had a pretty good weekend. And for those who don't know, we are only 4 days till the end of March, till the end of Q1 of 2024. Friday, market is closed. There is holiday in the US. It's called the Good Friday. Anyway, market is closed. So be prepared. Hi Lai, hi Amir. I'm pretty good, Samsung. Thank you very much for asking. For those who still didn't watch, you need to go after this live is over. You need to go back and look at the weekly market recap. We have weekly market recap in English. We have weekly market in Hebrew. We have top stocks watch list in English, top stocks in Hebrew. Everything double language. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. And if you're already there, you check the playlist. You go to the Fibonacci-Traders Academy playlist. We have more than almost 40. Almost 40? Yeah, 39 videos. Free Academy playlist. So before you take any other course or any other paid service, go to the Fibonacci playlist. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and you have full free playlist. Then, only then if you want, you're always welcome to join the Fibonacci Traders Discord. For those who don't know, we have trading floor in English, we have trading floor in Hebrew, we have premium day trading room, we have swing lounge, options room, crypto, general chats. We have also the same thing in Hebrew for day trading, swing trading, general chat, everything multi-language. And of course we have the FTI signals. This is a special channel where the FTI gives us signals buy, sell on multi-time frames for swing traders, for day traders. So you're more than welcome to join if you want to become a successful, profitable trader. Only if you want to become profitable trader. Who else is with me? Let's go. Let's get this week started. Hi Lai, Amir. Hi Dror, Yair, Guy. Hi Ariel. Thank you very much for joining. So how was your weekend? What should we talk about today? Here we have Forex. Let's see. USD, ILS. Inside the yellow zone. Between the 362 and the 364, above it, we are heading towards the 365 and 368. This is the 4 hours chart. This is how it looks on the daily. USD Euro. What have we got here? Some kind of an inverted head and shoulders, breaking above the 0.92. We are heading 0.93, and then all these red lines to the upside. If you are a Forex trader, you can also use the FTI. FTI works on everything. You have the GBP, JPY, the British pound, and the Japanese yen. Uptrend until proven otherwise. And we have, what else do we have? You have the USD, GBP. We have all this area, the 0.80 area, super tough resistance. We are in a downtrend. Long continuation above the 0.80 towards 0 all these levels to the upside. What else do we have? We have the SPY in an uptrend, of course. We have QQQ, uptrend. For now, pre-market, we are on the red side, on the SPY and on the Qs. SPY going down 0.24, Qs 0.5%, IWM 0.09, Dow Jones 0.14. Basically, we can say the market, except the Qs, are on the zero. This is how it looks pre-market. Now we are at the 50% retracement. We had this bull run last Wednesday, and then towards Thursday, Friday we went down, and since then we went, and now we are at the 50% retracement on the 2 hours. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Downtrend. Now let's see, where are we heading? Bitcoin looks like this. Uptrend. Now let's see continuation above the 68,700 and then back to 73. Below this 64, we will see once again 62 and 59 to the downside. Ethereum looks like this, struggling inside the yellow zone. We are still below a sell signal. Why? Because we are inside the yellow zone. The yellow zone is the no trading zone. Short below the yellow zone, long above the yellow zone, and it doesn't matter on which time frame you are trading. Long above yellow zone, short below. Dow Jones closed Thursday's gap. Now we might see a touch at the 392. IWM looks like this. Overall, still in an uptrend channel. So, what else? SQQQ, though. We just talked about the QQQ. How are you swinging or day trading the QQQ? Are you the master of this ETF before you go XXX? Once the QQQ goes up, SQQQ goes down. When QQQ goes down, SQQQ goes up. You want to go long and shorting the SQQQ. Above the 11, in my opinion, only above 11, but super careful. Super careful. AAP. And the daily uptrend, we have a gap at the 75. This area, the 82.50 needs to hold. Overall uptrend until proven otherwise. Above 89, we will see 96 and 106. We can take Fibonacci a little bit closer so we can have some more support and resistance for the future. Above 88.80, 93.50 and 100. We need to see that the yellow trend, that the yellow zone at the 81 is holding a support. APO uptrend, but careful. All this area, super tough resistance. You see, tried here, failed. Tried here, failed. Now, if you want to go long on this name, you need at least two days closing above the yellow zone, above the 113. Can you look at ATMU? ATMU, Atmos Filtration Technologies. Never heard about this, to be frank. Let's see what the FTI have to say about it. As you can see, we have this small table over here on the right side. Bullish on all time frames, on the 65, the 4 hours, the daily, the weekly. All time frames bullish. A long continuation above the 29.90 towards 31 and 34. What's the volume on this one? Just to make sure, enough volume. Yeah, super nice volume. Pretty nice. So, if you want to go, if you're already long, congratulations. Your stop should be just below the 27.60 or 27.10. Long continuation, 31.70 and 34.11. Very nice. This goes to my watch list. What else? What do you think about Roku? Let's see. Doesn't matter what I think. What matters is what the market thinks. And for now, Mr. Market doesn't really like Roku, as you can see. This area is support. This area resistance. Long above 66.50 towards this gap over here. And then above this area, you will see this gap getting filled. On the way, you have this area of resistance. Short continuation below the 60.90, and you will see this gap getting filled. Too many gaps to the upside, too many gaps to the downside. Super careful with this one. But overall, for now, since middle of February, just sideways move. Long above 66.40, short below 61.11, and of course everything you see in here is my opinion only. AMD, as you did not see my weekly market review, because I go over AMD every day and every weekend. AMD, what do you see? We have a sell signal on the 4 hours, on the daily, and the weekly. You can see it here on this small table. Below 175, we will see 160. No long for now on AMD. Below 160, and now pre-market, AMD goes down 3.6 after China bans AMD and Intel chips in government computers in China. So 173 might not hold, and next is 160 on AMD. APP uptrend. Above 73, 77, and 82. Next is snow. Let's check snow. Where do you see? This is the magnificent, and why we all need to put the FTI on our charts. Because it helps us. This is snow without the FTI. What do you see? You can see downtrend, right? But where to? And where are the next support and resistance and the overall trend? The FTI gives you everything. It gives you multi-time frames, as you can see here. Now, on the daily, it looks like this. Snow on the daily, downtrend. If you want to go long, try above the 170 and then towards 184. But for now, no long in my opinion on the snow. 3 time frames on the red side, only the daily and the green side. But this buy signal doesn't mean we need to go short. We need to buy snow. It just means that if you are short on snow, maybe it's time to manage our short position a little bit tighter, because this area is a very important area of support, which in the past few trading days, snow holding tight and holding above it. Overall, snow goes to the downside. TTD, the trade desk, buy signal on all time frames. Now we can take Fibonacci a little bit closer. Long continuation above the 85.90, and you will see 88.60, 92, 96, and 101 to the upside. Overall, as long as the trade desk TTD is inside this uptrend channel, you are good to go. Long DoorDash. What's going on with DoorDash? Long time since I saw this. Nice, super bullish on Dash. A long continuation above the 140 towards 146, 153, and as long as you are above this yellow zone, you are good to go. Above 132, you are good to go. Long on Dash. What else do we have? VXF. Vanguard Extended Market. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Long above the 175. We got ourselves the sell signal on the lower time frames, on the 65 and on the 4 hours. Let's see, can VXF hold above this yellow zone? Long above the 173, back to the 175. Open. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Nothing much. You have a buy signal on the daily and on the 4 hours, but on the weekly you've got yourself a sell signal because open is still inside this long term, almost 4 months, almost 5 months already in this downtrend channel. So you need to wait at least a weekly close above this yellow zone. For now, this is my opinion on open. What else? ARCB. We talked about this last Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, and you need to wait for, if you're already long, your stop should be just around the 130. If you're not long yet, you need to wait for break above the 140 towards 144 and 149. Thank you very much, Guy, for this amazing super chat. I appreciate you very much. Thank you very much. What else do we have? Yeah, this is a reminder for everybody here. Thank you very much for joining. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's continue with Nice. Nice is in an uptrend channel, buy signal, all time frames, bullish sentiment above last week's highs, 269 and 279 to the upside. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, if you are really serious about taking trading as a sidekick or as a profession, just go join the Fibonacci-Traders. You have the university here. You have the Master Fibonacci, lifetime access, one-on-one mentorship, and you get lifetime access for support, guidance, of course, all these Discord levels, and lifetime access also for this amazing FTI system. If you want, you can join only the one-on-one mentorship group. Lifetime access for guidance, support, English, Hebrew. Choose your language. Lifetime access, 4 sessions where we go and I teach you everything that I know from the beginning, from A to Z, on how to look at charts, how to trade what you see, how to manage risk, and most importantly, how to make money. The same thing, we have online expert course, which is basically the same as the one-on-one, but pre-recorded. Also, we have it, of course, in Hebrew. It's around 6 hours, everything you want and everything you need. Also with lifetime access, guidance, support, and all Discord channels. You have the ultimate membership, you have the one-on-one, we have groups, we have crash course, we have gold membership. Just choose your path according to your needs and according to your target. What do you want from yourself? What do you want from trading? What is your expectations? Everything that you want under one roof, one click away. And of course, you are more than welcome to check testimonials. We have here testimonials from past and present members. So you're more than welcome. Check it out. Let's continue. We talked about nice. Now, what if we got more? MSTR. MSTR. Holding nice above the yellow zone. We are still inside an uptrend channel. Above last week's highs, we will see once again 18, 15, 21, 24, and 25 to the upside. What else? BBAI. Big Bear. It's Big Bear AI. What do you see here? Downtrend. You have the FTI, you have the trend lines, downtrend, you have here sell signal on multi-time frames below this one over here, below the 190. You will see, let's adjust Fibonacci a little bit better, and you will see you see here 157 and then 132 to the downside. Shopify. What do we see? Sell signal, except the daily. The daily, as we can see, last Wednesday broke above the yellow zone, but once again closed the week inside the yellow zone, long only 3, at least in my opinion at this point. I want to see this week closing above the 80, and then next week I will reassess if it's good to go long on Shopify. For now, no long on Shopify for me. Of course, only my opinion. Hi, Allah. Thank you very much. SQ for Alon. Let's see. SQ. If you want to go long, you need to wait. Yes, we are inside an uptrend channel. Buy signal on the daily, buy signal on the weekly, but look at Friday's candle. Now, I want to see reversal to the upside and a closing above the 83. Then we can start taking long on SQ. CCL. All the cruises looking good, pretty much. Carnival Cruise. Uptrend, long continuation above the 1730 and then 1770 and 1830. Let's check RCL. RCL also. Look at this. Super bullish. CCL, RCL, and we have also NCLH. All the cruises looking pretty good. Look at NCLH. Long continuation above 21 and then 21.44 and 22. Bullish on NCLH on all time frames. CCL bullish except the 65 because last Friday. And RCL, same thing, bullish. Keep your eyes on these 3 stocks. D-Dog, Datadog, downtrend until proven otherwise. Sell signal on all time frames. And we have the downtrend channel that takes us to the downside. No long for now. And D-Dog, in my opinion. Same to you. Happy Purim, or thank you very much. Pan W. Still below this uptrend channel. Sell signal on the daily, sell signal on the weekly. Nothing on much on Pan W. Another day or two below the 286 and you will see 277 and 260 to the downside. And if you're a pattern trader, what do you see? What do you see on Pan W? You have here left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. If this area breaks down once again, you will see 235 to the downside. But only my opinion. 7 years plus of experience of professional trading, but in the end of the day, it's only my opinion. You don't see nothing. Once again, you didn't see anything. Anyway, let's talk about Pan W once again. Pan W. You have here this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If this area breaking to the downside, if this area will break to the downside once again, we will go back to the 235. Now you should see. Now you should see. Yes, more AMD goes down because of China news. China just banned AMD and Intel chips from governmental PCs. So this is the Intel. How much goes down? Intel pre-market. Intel 4%, AMD 3.66. Now you should be able to see everything. Like, subscribe. Let's continue. VNO. Vorando Reality Trust, long continuation, basically nothing long here because we are under a sell signal on multi-time frames except the daily. Long only above the 29.30, but let's see first that this yellow zone is holding. Next, CrowdStrike, CRWD for Guy. Long continuation above the 330 and then 345, 365. Happy Purim to you too, Menachem. Thank you very much. Arc B we talked about. Ingrid, thank you very much. J&J, yeah. J&J. First, it's from my weekly top stocks to watch. J&J. If you still didn't see J&J, or if you still didn't see my top stocks to watch, this is the Hebrew version. Now I will share also the English version, because as you know, every day, every weekend, every video that I put out, multi-language. So check it out. J&J, short below the 155 towards 152, 151, 150, 149, and 148. Continuation sliding inside this downtrend channel. Now you should see everything. SMCI for short. SMCI for short. No, I don't see short on SMCI. You got yourself the sell signal only on the daily. Because we are still inside the yellow zone, it doesn't mean you need to go short. Overall, uptrend. You want to go short on SMCI, in my opinion, only below 836. You can start below 908 towards the 832. Below 832, you can add to your short towards 740 and 590. If you don't know how to add, if you want to learn how to add to an already open position, so you want to increase your chances of making more money, check the links in the description below. All roads with Fibonacci traders leads to one thing only: financial freedom. So if you want your financial freedom, if you want to be able to take care of your money by yourself, with the help, with support, with guidance, lifetime access. What do I mean by lifetime access? Simple as that. As long as you will want me, as long as you will need me, I will be here for you. Yes, it's a 4-session mentorship, but it doesn't end after the 4th session. After the 4th session, we just starting our journey together, hand in hand, you and I, together until you will reach your goals, whatever they will be. PLTR, with all the news, with all the drama, PLTR moving sideways, 23.30 holding as support, all this area, the 25, 26, super tough resistance. In my opinion, this is a very good candidate for short. Short below the 23 towards 22, 2070, below this 2070, you have this gap that will get filled. Google. Let's see about Google. I don't know about cup and handle. I don't understand what are these. I don't trade patterns. You know why? Because they don't exist. Patterns exist in our mind. Our mind wants to see what it wants to see. But overall, patterns don't exist. Google, uptrend channel, long continuation above the 152, 153, towards 158, and back to this upper trend line and the 166. And by the way, you should see this video. The truth about technical analysis. Where is it? Where is it? Let's go to the playlist. I will show you. The truth about technical analysis, in my opinion, of course. You go to the playlists on the Fibonacci-Traders YouTube channel. You go here, Fibonacci-Traders Academy, free. You go here. You have this, the truth about technical analysis. Once again, in my opinion. Think about it this way. If patterns or all these indicators and these strategies based on these indicators and the head and shoulders and cup and handle and all these flags, they don't really work, right? Because if they were working at least 35-40% of the time, you don't need to ask my opinion about Google or SMCI or SPY or Q or AMD or any other name that you want to trade, because it's working, right? So if it's working, why more than 95% of all traders fail? It's not you or you or you or you or me. The tools they give us, these tools doesn't work. This is the truth. It's a hard truth. It costs me lots of money in my first 2 years until I became professional trader, because same as everybody, I followed indicators, I followed cup and handles, I followed head and shoulders, and I lost money. Not just me. 95 traders out of every 100 are losing money because they follow and they use the wrong tools. So check this video. What else? PLTR is different on what you post on X. Maybe. What did I post on X? PLTR. What did I post on X? Let's see. Why? I posted the same thing. Exactly the same thing. I'm not a pattern guy, but you have an head and shoulders 2-3 days below 22.90, and this gap will get filled. And what did I say now? Same thing. Here's the gap, right? What's the gap here? What did I say? Below this, you're going to see this. Below this, you're going to see this. Below this, you will see the gap getting filled. That's it. What else? It's exactly the same, Yair. Exactly the same. You're more than welcome to make a screenshot from here and compare it to the X. What else? Thank you very much, Daniel, for this amazing super chat. I appreciate it very much. ADM for Iris. ADM, you have a major gap over here. Needs to get filled. 85%, it will. Nobody knows when. Long continuation. Overall, we are in an uptrend channel above the 63. This gap will get filled. Your stop loss should be just here at around 60, 40, 60, 50. This is why we have this green line. This green line helps us to manage our stop loss while we are inside long position. Same goes for this red line. Helps us manage our risk if we are in a short position. What else do we have? Hi Ron. I'm in CENX. What do you think is the next level? CNX. Century Aluminum. Uptrend. Super nice. Above 1330. You will see 1435. 1565. So once again, let's see futures before we wrap up this pre-market live. Holding the 50% area. Short continuation below the 52.15. And then you will see 52.04 below this one. You will see 51.83. I want to see the 2 hours breaking above the 52.26. Thank you very much for joining this live. I hope everybody had nice time here. I sure did. Thank you very much. Until the next video, until the next live, stay safe.